Today we are going to have a look at the verb to be. Okay, the verb to be. Now we are going to have a look at the present forms of the verb to be. Am, is, are. Okay, am, is, are the present forms of the verb to be. Now am is used with I am. Is used with the subjects he, she, it. He is, she is, it is. Are is used with the subjects you, we, they. You are, we are, they are. Okay, I am, he is, she is, it is. You are, we are, they are. Now when we speak in English, we usually use the contracted forms. Okay, in spoken English we usually use the contracted forms. Now the contracted form of I am is I'm, I, an apostrophe and then M, I'm. He is, the contracted form of he is his. She is, she's. It is, its. You are, your. We are, we're. They are, their. So these are the contracted forms that we usually use in spoken English. Now let's have a look at some sentences. I am a teacher. I am happy. Am is used with the subject I. He is a professor. She is 9 years old. It is a table. It is raining. Is used with the subjects he, she, it. You are beautiful. We are friends. They are my neighbors. So are is used with the subjects you, we, they. Okay, so these are the sentences. Now as I told you earlier that when we speak in English, okay, in spoken English we usually used the contracted forms. So I am, when contracted, it becomes I'm. Okay, so now I'll be writing the contracted forms. I am, apostrophe and then M. I'm. His. She's. Okay, we use contracted forms in spoken English. It's. Your. Where. There. Okay, I'm a teacher. I'm happy. He is a professor. She is 9 years old. It's a table. It's raining. You're beautiful. We are friends. They are my neighbors. So this is how we speak in English. We use the contracted forms. Now these are positive sentences. Now we'll be making negative sentences. Now it's very simple. It's very easy to make negative sentences. You just have to add not. Okay, you just have to add not, N-O-T, not, after am, is and are. Okay, you just have to add not next to am, is or are. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding not, and these sentences will become negative sentences. N-O-T, not. So I've added not after am, is, are, and now these sentences have become negative sentences. I am not a teacher. I am not happy. He is not a professor. She is not 9 years old. It's not raining. You are not beautiful. We are not friends. They are not my neighbors. Okay. Okay, so these are negative sentences. He is not a professor. Now in this negative sentence, we have contracted he is. Okay, the contracted form of he is his. Now he is not a professor. This is a negative sentence. You can say this sentence in this way also. He isn't a professor. Isn't. Here we have contracted is not. Okay, is not when contracted becomes isn't. Okay, so whether you say he is not a professor or he isn't a professor, both mean the same. Here we are contracting he is his. Here we are contracting the two words is not, which is isn't. Both the sentences mean the same thing. Okay, we'll see these type of sentences here. She is not 9 years old. We are contracting she is, she's. She isn't 9 years old. Here we are contracting the words is not, isn't. She isn't 9 years old. Both the sentences mean the same thing. It's not raining. It isn't raining. You're not beautiful. You aren't beautiful. Your is the contracted form of you are. Are not, when contracted, becomes aren't. You are not beautiful. You aren't beautiful. We are not friends. We aren't friends. They are not my neighbors. They aren't my neighbors. Okay, they are is the contracted form of they are. Aren't is the contracted form of are not. So both the sentences mean the same. They are not my neighbors. They aren't my neighbors. So friends, that's the end of the lesson. I hope you found this lesson useful. Now I have some homework for you. You have to write at least 5 to 6 sentences using is, am, are in the comment box. Positive sentences as well as negative sentences. Okay, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep practicing. See you soon. Have a nice day.